Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Yamaha FZ-09. This triple cylinder 854cc Super Sport just arrived with only 13,000 miles. Gorgeous orange metallic paint scheme, really cool. Upright streetfighter. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, very quick, very powerful. Come on by, make your naked sport bike dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.